Every investigation your SOC has ever run produced findings, context about the adversary, evidence about the technique, institutional knowledge that made the next investigation faster and more precise than the one before it. Where is that knowledge right now? If the answer is a personal document, a shared drive, a Slack thread, or the memory of the analyst who ran the investigation, your program is rebuilding from scratch every time that analyst changes shifts, takes time off, or leaves. Anchor is the case management pillar of the Scout platform. Every alert promoted from Flare arrives in Anchor pre-populated, with full alert context, attack mapping, and every enrichment detail Flare collected during triage. Every note is time-stamped, every action attributed, every piece of evidence attached to that case that documents it. The analyst who inherits this case at the next shift change does not start from scratch. They start from the complete record of every decision and every finding that came before them. The investigation that survives every shift change, the knowledge that outlasts every analyst who built it. That is Anchor. The link is below.